Yeah, so if you are struggling to get more sales for your business as an entrepreneur or a small business owner, this video is for you. So I've made up to 3,000 cities with this simple and effective update for my business, of which I don't have a physical store for it. I just sell them online. So if you're a business owner here who has a physical store, maybe lots of goods to offer or lots of value to offer, this video is best for you. And this is going to give you accurate and proven results from my experience and what I've been doing for years. Yeah, so as a business owner, you can't rely on your friends or family for survival. Yeah, so you need to get new and returning customers who are interested in your product or who are even looking for a product already. Yeah, so your friends and family might buy one or two from you as means of support, but the real money is out there for people who are really looking to buy or looking for whatever you are selling, whether being a product or a service here. So I've been doing reselling for the past 3 years now, and this is my exact strategy that I use. Platforms like Meta provides you with the best ad and maybe promotion offer in the market. So Facebook Marketplace is the number one and is free for anyone. You take pictures or videos of the product with your phone, so that way it looks legit and genuine. You also make sure you add location. If you have a physical shop, you've won a battle already, make sure you add your location, and if you even offer a payment on delivery, you are good to go. So what I do normally is I list these items on Facebook Marketplace, and what it does is Facebook automatically pushes it to people who are always scrolling through the marketplace to look for items. So make sure if you are listing your item, you categorize it to fit whatever you are selling. So if you are selling an iPhone, make sure you drop all the specs and always be truthful. If the phone is new, list it as new. If it's used like new, you list them and you check the market price and make sure you are giving the best price, and don't go down. If maybe the thing is for 1,000 cedis and you list it for 200 cedis, people might be interested, but they might think it's a scam because of the price is below the average price on the market. Yeah, so and with that being said, if you have a business account, this is where you get more customers, maybe win the game. So make sure you have a complete business or Meta business account. That's your normal WhatsApp business. Have your DP, list your product, your working hours, and if you have a physical store, always make sure you have the address listed in there, and you also have a contact number, location, and everything. And with this, you can run ads directly from the WhatsApp business app. All you need to do is just click on tools and click on create an ad, and this they give you three options, whether you choose the products from your catalog and boost it, or maybe you upload a picture or video from your gallery. So what our advice is, make sure you take pictures or videos of the product, not just the product only, but let the people know what they are buying. So let's say you are selling a humidifier, sell the emotion or sell the end result, what they will feel or how they will be able to light up and maybe share their working space or home space up with the humidifier and their essential oil. So you shoot a nice video like that, and you make sure you target the right people. So this is where you need to pay attention. So targeting the right people is key. You make sure you select location and age brackets that are interested in this particular humidifier. So you can do research on YouTube or Google, or maybe you can even ask your Meta AI in your WhatsApp, and they'll give you in depth on the kind of people who are interested in this product. So people who have their desk setups or people who work from home or always in their houses and they have setup working, a humidifier is very good for them because it will lighten up their space and give them a fresh scent, and they will definitely be interested in this. So after knowing your audience, you create a visual appealing video for your products. The next thing is you upload it to the Meta business and you choose your age, and you can choose the location based on where your shop is. So if you have a physical shop, you can always make sure you choose locations, let's say 50 or 100 kilometers away. With that, you'll be able to do payment on delivery, because most people, when they reach out for items they see online, they are not willing to pay upfront because some of them have trust issues. So you always have to make sure they are within your locality, of which maybe you can partner with any delivery guy around. So they will just pay upon the delivery guy reaching their side, and they collect their parcel, and you also get your money. Yeah. So after choosing the age brackets, you choose the location. You can also dive deeper by choosing their interest. So those interested in maybe room decor, electronic, consumer electronics, and all those stuff. After choosing that, you see they will give you a budget. So yeah, you can choose from $1 to thousand or maybe more than that. Yeah. So the money that you choose will determine the number of people that the advert will reach and the potential customers that you get. So from the screen, you can see I did between $1 to $3 on most of my ads, and you can see I'm even getting more DMs. I'm getting almost up to 30 DMs with this type of ads. And the problem with my side is I don't have a physical store, so most of them find it very difficult to work with me. So if you have a physical store, running an ad with, let's say, $5 per day, you can write you can run it for, let's say, 3 days, and you might get up to 60 or more customers with just one ad. And what this meta ad does is they click on the link and it direct them to your DM straight. So if you use the WhatsApp business, with just a single tap, they come straight into your DM, and over there you have the opportunity or chance to continue the sales with them by telling them more about your product, how they can get it done before they pay, or how they can even come to your shop and purchase. And always make sure you maintain a good relationship with your customers for them to become returning customers, or they can even refer you to their friends. That's the only way you can be making more money in this Gen Z era of everyone busy on their phones. You just need to put your product in their faces. Putting adverts in their faces will make them feel connected to you and maybe start coming to your shop for any other thing that they need. Yeah. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video for more updates like this.